Today I'm going to read an essay called "Simple Living is the Key to Happiness," or at least that is the headline that the Hindustan Times published when they published this article. This was printed on the 20th of March, 2004. Mysticism, I'm reading now, mysticism is often poo-pooed by the scientifically minded. A single cell, biologists say, is more complex than a city, while Homo sapiens are an intricate arrangement of blood, bones, nerves, and other components. Ancient science, on the other hand, tells us that a human being is made of gross matter and an invisible living force. Yet who believes that a spiritual soul animates each body under the direction of an omniscient, omnipotent, and loving God? Well, it's those who accept a simple saying, the essence of spiritual thinking: God is great, I am small. But it seems some of us are smaller and more dispensable than others. It's not easy to see God's benevolent management when so many so-called innocents are killed each day through mindless bombings. The Bhagavad Gita 2.69 states, "What is night for all beings is the time of awakening for the self-controlled, and the time of awakening for all beings is night for the introspective sage." The Bhagavad Gita uses the word Jagarti to refer to a wakened condition of consciousness. Elsewhere in the Vedas, ignorance of the spiritual world is likened to a sleeping or unconscious state. According to this concept, almost everyone is asleep to reality. We're burdened with this lack of consciousness, as deep in our psyche as an impulse to be spiritual, to recognize the so-called God-shaped hole in everyone's heart. The passage I just cited from the Gita indirectly pleads with the living entity to wake up. But despite fashionable trends such as Ganesh t-shirts, CDs of Indian rock bands playing religious melodies, and Om-ulets, few awake to the simple mantra, God is great, I am small. To prod oneself in the right direction, 7 things are worth exploring: dependence on God, confidence, voluntary austerity, honesty, humility, realism, and wise selection of role models. These unlock happiness and help us wake from the fantasies of godless dreams. Hare Krishna.